How to fix verification required error in App Store. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Here we go. At the top, you'll find your Apple ID. Open it. Now head towards the option of subscriptions. Open it. If you have any ongoing subscriptions over here, just cancel it. Once you do that, head back. Open the option Payment and Shipping. From this page, if you have added your payment method, just remove it and head back. Now sign out of your Apple ID and head back. Scroll down, open the option General, scroll all the way down, click on Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. Once you turn off your phone, again turn it back and head towards your Settings app. Over here, you will find the option of Sign In, click on it, and then sign in to your Apple ID. Once you do that, open this option Payment and Shipping. Now you have to fill this, provide your payment details as well as billing address, and once you do that, you will be good to go. Now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. So this is how you can fix verification required error in App Store. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.